Assalamu alaikum. We are Group 4 from Section B. In this presentation, we will demonstrate our final project of EEE 416. Our project is Bangla Digital Calendar Implementation with ARM Cortex-M3 microcontroller. Our group members are Nishat Tasnim Hiramoni 1606084, Shafayat Jamil 1606086, Jarin Tasnim 1606090, Porproda Haldar 1606092, and me, Tasnuva Tamanna 1506117. In this project, a Bangla calendar has been implemented using ARM 32-bit Cortex-M3 microcontroller, and the whole project is implemented in Proteus software. LED matrix has been used for displaying the date, month, and year. Push buttons and switches have been added to adjust date, month, and year. Next, my group partner Jarin will continue the presentation.
In this project, we have used a ARM 32-bit Cortex-M3 microcontroller STM32F103C6. A 8-bit shift register has been used to receive the bits of 8-bit hex number serially and send them out through 8 parallel pins. The output coming from shift register has been stored using a dual positive S trigger D flip-flop. Finally, to display the values stored in D flip-flops, we have used LED matrix. These are the implementation steps of our project. First, we have initialized the pins and clock of microcontroller using STM32CubeMX software. Then we have generated hex file for different Bangla numbers and month names. Next, we have used a flip-flop matrix to store the values and also created a LED matrix to display those values. Using polling method, we have checked if next day has come or not. Well, we can also adjust the dates using switches and push buttons. Finally, with the help of shift registers, we have printed a new date. Next, my group partner Porproda will continue this presentation.
We have used STM32CubeMX software to generate our initial code. We have set the frequency of the clock of the microcontroller at 8 MHz. We have simulated our circuit in Proteus. Here is our circuit. This is our microcontroller STM32. We have used 3 shift registers here and a adjustment circuit which is made of switches and push buttons to adjust the date, month, and year. Here is 2 sub-circuit and LED matrix. LED matrix are used to display the date, month, and year. The shift registers operate with 2 clocks. One is HS clock and another is ST clock. HS clock is used to shift the serial in data to the 8-bit shift registers, and ST clock is used to last the shift registers. If we see the sub-circuits, we can see these sub-circuits are made of D-type flip-flop, and the clock used here are the ST clock of the shift registers. Now, our group partner Hiramoni will continue the presentation.
In this set, we drew the pattern of different Bangla digits, and the corresponding generated hex values are collected and used in our code. Here we can see the hex numbers for 0 to 9 Bangla digits. Similarly, we drew the pattern of 12 different months here, and the corresponding hex numbers are used here. Then we first wrote some functions, set date, set month, and set year. These 3 functions are for adjusting the date value, month value, and year value. For example, in set date function, it checks the date increase pin and the date decrease pin. If it gets the date increase pin high, the day value is increased by 1, and if it gets the date decrease pin high, the day value is decreased by 1. And this print day function is for printing the digits of day. And this part is for printing the first digit of day. So here we can see 2 loops. Actually, each hex number is a column which consists of 8 bits. So the inner loop is for shifting the 8 bits and the outer loop is for latching the column. And we have 2 more functions, print month and print year, for printing the month value and year value. In our main code, we first did the initialization part, and then in while loop first it checks whether the second value is x6400 or not. So if the second value is x6400, then we reset the value of second to 0, and then it checks if any month has been completed or not. If any month has been completed, then we assign the next month to the month value. And if a day has been passed but no month has been completed, we simply increase the day value by 1. This condition is for leap year. Here in this part, it checks the set date pin, set month pin, and set year pin. If it gets any of these pins high, it calls the corresponding set date, set month, or set year functions to adjust the day, month, and year value. At the end of the while loop, we gave 1000 millisecond delay. Then we increase the second value by 1. The next part of our presentation will be demonstrated by Shafai.
Now let us simulate the project. These are the initial values that will be printed first, and after 2 seconds, the day, month, and year would change. So our initial value is 30-1306. And after 2 seconds, the date changed to 1-1307. Now, if you want to see the adjustment part, let's increase the date, increase the year. And in this, our year changed to 1307. So some future improvements would be, we have implemented the calendar using polling method. Using interrupt would have allowed the microcontroller to do other tasks. And replacing the LED matrix with LCD display would make our design more compact. Overall, even though there are some room for improvements, we have successfully implemented our Bangla calendar. Also, we learned a lot about ARM-based microcontroller while doing the project. Thank you for watching.